Today I'll be reviewing the MJJC Pro V2.0 foam cannon. I've been using one of these foam cannons for 3 years now, and I own a painting and pressure wash business. It comes with a 1/4 inch quick connect, so it'll fit most pressure washers. You can easily change from a fan to a stream pattern. The fan pattern's good for covering larger areas, and the stream pattern's really good for reaching a peak. It'll reach up to 2 stories, no problem. It has a weighted chemical suction tube, so you can turn the foam cannon whatever direction and you'll still be getting chemicals. These foam cannons are great for washing cars, houses, patios, RVs, boats. And with the 40-ounce cup, you don't have to keep filling the chemicals up as often. That's why I use the MJJC Pro V 2.0 foam cannon.